everybody and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be comparing two, I believe, are the most popular budget-friendly gels in the curly hair community. They are the Not Your Mother's Curly Talk Sculpting Gel and plain old flaxseed. I know it's in this jojoba oil bottle, but it's just plain old flaxseed gel, which I added essential oils to just to make it smell good. Which one will work better on my hair? If you want to find out, keep watching. Watch it till the end, okay? Alright, let's style. Here I have to add some kind of leave-in or curling cream, so I am going to be using this Honey That's How I Roll Curl Defining Cream by Main's Choice, is it? Main's Club. So this is the Curly Talk Sculpting Gel, and this is Flaxseed Gel. I'm going to let my hair air dry, and then we'll see the results and just talk about the two gels. So see you in a little bit. Or should I say, see you in like 6 hours, because my hair takes forever to dry, so I'll see you guys. My hair is like 95% dry, still kind of wet. This is the Not Your Mother's gel side. I haven't broke the cast, as you could tell. So this is what it looks like. There are it's pretty shiny, pretty healthy looking. This is the flaxseed gel. Looks pretty much the same. I could already tell that this side's gonna be a little bit more voluminous, and this side is more defined, without even breaking the cast. See, as you could tell, like there's like a little ringlet here, and this side actually smells so much better, the flaxseed gel side, because I did use my own essential oil combination. I'm just gonna break the cast without any oil, so let's break the cast. This side is a lot softer, the flaxseed gel side. A lot softer. Curly Talk side. Okay, I can see it's really defined here. It's good. I just have this like pesky little hair right here. Or just got this little freaking frizzy hair here that didn't really curl. Okay, and this is the flaxseed gel side. I don't know if it's more defined. I don't know. I think it's more, there's more definition on the flaxseed gel side. What do you guys think? Yeah, I did not wear the right shirt for this video. I didn't think my hair was this dark. Wow, okay. I'm gonna change my shirt. So I changed my shirt. There isn't much of a difference. My hair is just super dark, super dark. You could be the judge. Comment down below, what side do you like better? So I do want to talk about the pros and cons of each, and which one I like or prefer. So, which one I like better, basically. So, pros and cons. Obviously, it's a lot cheaper to make flaxseed gel. I'm not gonna say like this is like super expensive. This was around like $7 or $8. It's pretty cheap. It's cheap, but when you compare it to flaxseed gel, it is way cheaper. Let me tell you why. I got this whole bag at the 99-cent store. A quarter cup of this makes like a cup and a cup and a half of gel, I would say. So about like 10-12 ounces. And this is 6 ounces. In terms of time, of course, the Curly Talk gel is better in terms of time because just go to the store, buy it, and then, you know, it's fast. Flaxseed gel does take quite a bit of time to make. The process is actually very easy. It takes about like 10-ish minutes to make it. It's just, you just have to wait like about an hour for it to cool. That's like the hardest thing, just waiting for it to cool. Flaxseed gel is just hands down eco-friendly. Buying single-use gels and stylers and all of that is bad. It's bad, it's bad, it's bad. All those single-use plastics just pile up. Also, it's not toxic. This has a lot of ingredients. Although I really like it, I know I see good ingredients like castor oil and like fruit extracts and all that stuff. But it also has these like hard to pronounce chemicals in them, and it also has fragrance. We all know, or you should know, that fragrance is not a good thing. But in terms of like using essential oils that's fragrance for DIY, I don't mind it. And which one do I prefer? I don't know. I guess it's like half and half. Like I like Curly Talk and I like buying gels that are just ready for your hair. But there's something special about making your own product and also like having less of an ecological footprint. I prefer the flaxseed gel. I prefer the flaxseed gel. That's all I gotta say. I'm not reviewing the best gel out there. I know there's like gels that are better than this. They're pretty expensive. They're over like 20 bucks, and I just don't want to buy products that are over 20 bucks because I'm like in a debt-free journey. I'm trying to get rid of my debt and focus on my finances. Thanks for watching. I hope I didn't bore you guys. I hope I gave you a new idea. I hope I entertained you. I just hope you got something from this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Please like this video because it helps me a lot and it motivates me to keep producing content. And share it with any other curly friends or non-curly hair friends or people who are just interested in gel and like natural products. Comment down below which side is better. That's all. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay true to yourself by staying curly. Bye bye.